Hey guys, it's James from Blue Strength and Therapy. I'm here with my assistant Lexi today. And in this video, we'll be going over shoulder impingement along with what exercises you should be doing for it. Shoulder impingement is a common condition where the tendons and or bursa become compressed or pinched as they pass through the shoulder. This is usually associated with pain, weakness, limited range of motion, and difficulty raising the arm above your head or even at shoulder height. There are several possible causes of shoulder impingement that may include repetitive overhead movements such as painting or racket sports, poor posture, muscular imbalances from poor exercise selection. In some cases, shoulder impingement can even be caused from trauma such as falls and or car accidents. The goals of correcting shoulder impingement are to reduce pain and inflammation, improve mobility and restore strength in the shoulder, specifically the rotator cuff muscles. The rotator cuff muscles are a group of muscles that stabilize the shoulder. Weakness of these muscles will cause other muscles in the area to compensate and can be one of the main causes of shoulder impingement. Strengthening these muscles will help restore balance to the area and help build more stability and stronger shoulders. Be sure to aim for 60 to 90 seconds per exercise for 2 to 3 sets and perform every other day. Only perform these exercises to the point of tension and never pain. The first exercise are the mini band external rotations. This exercise is a simple and easy way to help strengthen the rotator cuff muscles, specifically the external rotators of the shoulder. Start by sitting on the ground or chair with a mini band around the wrist. Bend both arms to roughly 90 degrees with the palms facing each other and arms glued onto your torso. Pull both hands apart and away from each other and slowly allow the band to come back to the starting position. Make sure that the elbows are not moving away from the torso and that the shoulder blades are in a neutral position. The next exercise are the mini band shovels. This exercise further strengthens the rotator cuff and the other muscles that cross over the shoulder and shoulder girdle. Start in the same exact position as the mini band external rotations with the arms bent to roughly 90 degrees and glued onto the torso. Pull the mini band apart so that the fists are facing directly forward. While keeping constant tension on the band, lift the arm forward and up in an arc-type motion while maintaining a 90-degree bend in the elbow. Lower the arms back down to the starting position and repeat. Be sure not to have the elbows flare out as this will put unnecessary strain on the shoulder. The wrist and the elbow should always be in line with each other. If this exercise is done correctly, you should feel a lot of fatigue in the outer shoulder muscles. The last exercise are the seated wide raises. This exercise helps strengthen the shoulder and shoulder girdle complex and teaches you how to have them work synergistically together. Start by sitting on the ground with the back of the head, shoulders, and lower back against the wall. If this is a challenge because of flexibility issues, simply take the lower back off the wall. Place a mini band around the wrist and have the arms stretched out as far as possible directly in front of you with the palms facing each other. Pull the band apart, followed by reaching your arms as high as possible towards the ceiling. Do not be afraid to allow the shoulders to shrug upwards near the end of the range of motion. Slowly lower the arms back to the starting position and repeat. If you're experiencing any sort of clicking, simply pull the band apart further or rotate the thumb slightly further outwards. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Please also let me know what other content you'd like to see as well. Lastly, if you're looking for a structured shoulder rehab program to follow, our Bulletproof Your Shoulder Rehab program is a 12-week program that is designed to help strengthen your shoulders and improve your overall mobility. It includes easy-to-follow exercises with step-by-step instructions and only requires anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes every other day. It is also all done through our easy-to-use app. Click the link in the description for more information and start moving pain-free.